Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss 10th standard algebra, multiplication of matrices, exercise 3.18. Understand? In our previous class, we have discussed the addition of two matrices and subtraction of two matrices. For addition and subtraction of two matrices means the order of both the matrices must be same. But in multiplication, the number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Otherwise, matrix multiplication is not defined. That means not possible. Understand? Suppose you take one A matrix. Matrix A is in the order of 3 into 3. Take one more matrix B. B is the order of 3 by 2. Means the order of A matrix is 3 by 3. The order of B matrix is 3 by 2. If you want to multiply both the matrix means this is row, this is column. First one is row, second one is column. In B matrix, first one is row, second one is column. 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows, 2 columns. A matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns. First one is row, second one is column. B matrix, 3 row, 2 columns. 3 by 2 matrix. Understand? Number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Number of rows in second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Otherwise, matrix multiplication is not possible. Here, number of columns in the first matrix is 3. And number of rows in the second matrix is 3. So, both are equal. Therefore, matrix multiplication is possible. We can multiply A and B. Understand? Now, what is our result order? We get one result, product of AB is equal to one matrix will come. We product these two matrices, one result matrix we will get. Order of this result matrix must be number of rows in the first matrix and number of columns in the second matrix. That means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 matrix. Our result matrix order is product of AB. We get one matrix. Order of that result matrix will be 3 by 2. Understand? So, number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix means we can product AB. We can find AB. Understand? The order of AB is number of rows in first matrix and number of columns in second matrix. That means 3 by 2. Order of our result matrix is 3 by 2. Understand? So using this concept, we are going to answer for this first question. Take first one. Order of A is 3 by 3. Order of A is 3 by 3. Order of A is 3 by 3. Matrix order A is 3 by 3. Next, matrix order B is 3 by 3. Order of A is 3 by 3 and order of B is 3 by 3. We are going to multiply AB. Product matrix AB. So we are going to multiply A matrix and B matrix. What is the order of product matrix AB? That is our question. So we are going to product AB means we get one result matrix. What is the order of that result matrix? That we want to know. The order of AB is what will come? This is row, this is column. This is row, this is column. Number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Here, column equal to row. So 3 is equal to 3. So therefore matrix multiplication is possible. That is not our question, but I am telling. for your clearance. Next, they are asking result order. Result order. So what will come? Number of rows in first matrix and number of columns in the second matrix. This is the order of our result matrix. So 3 by 3. 3 by 3 matrix. Understand? Next you take second question. A is in the order of 4 by 3. A matrix order 4 by 3 and B matrix order 3 by 2. B matrix order 3 by 2. We are going to product these two matrices. What is the order of result matrix? So the order of AB is, the order of product matrix AB is, this is row, this is column, this is row, this is column. So this column is equal to row. So product is possible. Matrix multiplication is possible. So our result order is 4 by 2. 4 by 2. Result order is 4 by 2. Understand? Next we take question number 3. A is in the order 4 by 2. A matrix order 4 by 2. B order 2 by 2. B matrix order 2 by 2. You want to multiple both the matrices. So the order of AB is, this is row, this is column. This is row, this is column. So this column is equal to row. 2 is equal to 2. Therefore matrix multiplication is possible. Our result order will be 4 by 2. 4 by 2. 4 by 2. Understand? Next question number 4. Order of A is 4 by 5. The order of B is 5 by 1. 5 by 1. We want to multiple both the matrices. So this is row, this is column. This is row, this is column. This column is equal to row. Therefore product matrix multiplication is possible. Understand? Our result order will be 4 by 1. The order of AB is 4 by 1. Understand? Next we take fifth question. A is in the order of 1 by 1 and B is in the order of 1 by 3. We are going to multiple both the matrices. This is row, this is column. This is row, this is column. This column is equal to row. Therefore 1 is equal to 1. Therefore matrix multiplication is possible. Our result order will be 1 by 3. Our result order will be 1 by 3. So the order of AB is 1 by 3. This is the answer for our first question. Question number 2. If A is of order P by Q and B is of order Q by R, what is the order of A multiple B and B multiple A? Understand? So given that the order of A is P by Q and the order of B is Q by R. Understand? So it's our first question. Now we want to find out the order of A multiple B. Find out the order of A multiple B. So A is in the order of P by Q. B is in the order of Q by R. Q by R. So we are going to multiple both the matrices. We want to find out the order of AB, product of AB. So now this is row, this is column. This is row, this is column. Here P is row, Q is column. Here Q is row, R is column. Understand? Now, when product of two matrices is possible? When product of two matrices is possible? Number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Otherwise, matrix multiplication is not possible. If you see here, number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Therefore, matrix multiplication is possible here because number of columns q, number of rows q. So q is equal to q. Both are equal. Therefore, product of AB is defined. Product of AB is defined. Or product of AB is possible. Product of AB is defined. So product is possible. Understand? So the order of AB is, the order of AB is, understand? Product means, product possible means we get one result matrix also. What is the order of the result? We want to find out now. That is our question. What is the order of AB? A multiple B. What is the order of A multiple B? That means A cross B is nothing but AB. The order of A multiple B is, A multiple B is, understand? So product is possible. What is our result order? Number of rows in first matrix and number of columns in second matrix. Number of columns in second matrix. This is the result order. Understand? P by R. P by R. This is the order of A cross B. Understand? Now we take second one. B cross A. Next you want to find out what is the order of B multiple A. So B is in the order Q by R and A matrix order P by Q. Understand? Now check multiple is possible or not. Now you want to check it now. This is row, this is column, this is row, this is column. Understand? So number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. But here number of columns in first matrix is R and number of rows in second matrix is P. Both are not equal. Both are not equal. Therefore, matrix multiplication is, that means B multiple A is not possible. B multiple A is not possible because number of columns in B is not equal to number of rows in A. Understand? Therefore, matrix multiplication is not possible. So we cannot write result matrix order. Understand? So the number of matrix multiplication is not defined. B multiple A is not defined because number of columns in B, number of columns in B is not equal to number of rows in A. Number of rows in A. Therefore, B cross A is not defined. Okay, next we'll listen question number 3. A, matrix A, not A. Matrix A has A rows and A plus 3 columns. And also, matrix B has B rows and 17 minus B columns. And if both products AB and BA exist, so AB and BA, product of AB and product of BA is possible. We can multiply AB and BA. Then find A comma B. You want to find out two unknowns A and B. Understand? So in our question, given that the order of A is, what? A rows, A plus 3 columns. A rows by A plus 3 columns. A by A plus 3. The order of A is A by number of rows by number of columns. Understand? Order. You want to write order like this only. First you want to write rows, second you want to write columns. So order of A is A by A plus 3. Then the order of B is what? The order of B is B rows and 17 minus B columns. So B rows by 17 minus B columns. Number of rows, multiple number of columns. The order of B is B by 17 minus B. Both are given. And if both products AB and BA exist, understand, the product of AB is exist or defined. The product of AB is defined. Understand? This is given. This is also given. The product of AB is exists. Understand? So the matrix A matrix order A by A plus 3. B matrix order B by 17 minus B. Understand? This is row, this is column. This is row, this is column. Understand? So matrix multiplication is possible. Given the product of AB is defined. So multiplication is possible, no? So multiple means what condition you want to satisfy? The number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Already matrix multiplication is possible, given. Then columns, this column is equal to this row. Understand? So we can equal both the answers. Understand? Now, matrix multiplication is possible, already given. That is why we can take number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. That means A plus B is equal, A plus 3 is equal to B. Therefore, A plus 3 is equal to B. Here two unknowns are there. That is why this you take equation number 1. This you take equation number 1. You come to next. AB is possible. The product of AB is possible, given. From that we can take one equation. Understand? Next, B, the product of AB also possible. The product of BA also possible. The product of BA is defined. The product of BA is defined. First you take B matrix. B matrix order B by 17 minus B. Next you take A matrix. This is BA, not AB. First you take B matrix. After that you take A matrix. A matrix order of A matrix is A by A plus 3. A by A plus 3. So already given, the product of BA is defined, possible. The product is possible. Then these two must be equal. What? This is row, this is column, this is row, this is column. The number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. These two must be same. That means 7 minus B is equal to A. 7 minus B is equal to A. This is our equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Understand? You see, the value of B is A plus 3. In our first equation, the value of B is A plus 3. Instead of B, you substitute A plus 3 in our second equation. Instead of B, you substitute A plus 3 in our second equation. You keep 7 as it is minus the value of B is A plus 3. Understand? The outer sign is minus. So you write bracket here. The value of B is A plus 3. A plus 3 which is equal to right side value A. Now 7. Send this minus inside. You multiply this minus inside. What we get? Minus of A minus into plus 3 minus 3 is equal to A. Now you send this minus A right side. 7 minus 3 is 4 which is equal to minus A goes to right side becomes plus A. Already here one A is there. This minus A goes to right side is plus A. So 4 is equal to 2A. Now you send this 2 to left side. 4 divided by 2 is equal to A, no? So cancelling you get A is equal to 2. The value of A is 2. Now we need B also. So substitute the value here. Understand? Substitute the value A here. You can get B. Substitute A is equal to 2 in 1. But we get value of A is 2 plus 3 is equal to B. So 2 plus 3, 5 is equal to B. Therefore, B is equal to 5. So the finally result A is equal to 2, comma B is equal to 5. This is the answer for our question. Understand? Okay. Next we listen question number 4. If A is equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix is given and B is equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix is given. Using the two matrices, you want to find A multiple B, the product of AB and BA, and check if AB equal to BA. Now you want to find AB and BA. After that you want to check AB equal to BA. So first we find AB. AB is equal to A matrix 2, 5, 4, 3 and B matrix is 1, minus 3, 2, 5. You want to multiple these two matrices. First you have to check product is possible or not. First you have to check product is possible or not. Multiplication is possible or not. You check it now. Order of our first matrix is 2 rows and 2 columns. Understand? Order of our second matrix is 2 rows, first you write row, 2 columns. So, first matrix is 2 by 2 and second matrix is also 2 by 2. This is row, this is column, this is row, this is column. Row, column, row, column. So, order of our first matrix, order of our first matrix is 2 by 2, order of our second matrix is 2 by 2. So, number of columns in our first matrix is equal to number of rows in our second matrix are equal, both are equal, 2, 2. Therefore, product of AB is possible. Understand? What is our result order? Number of rows in first matrix and number of columns in second matrix. This is the result of our order of our result matrix. So, our result matrix, order of our result matrix will be 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. That means row 1, row 2, column 1 and column 2. This is the order of our second matrix, 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Result matrix order is 2 by 2. Row 1, row 2 and column 1, column 2. This is row 1, row 2, row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. This is a result matrix order, 2 by 2. Understand? Now we are going to multiply these two matrices. This is column 1, this is column 2. This is row 1, this is row 2. Understand? Now first matrix you take first row. First matrix you take first row. Now second matrix you take first column. Second matrix you take first column. First matrix you take first row. Now second matrix you take first column. You multiple both the. You multiple row and column. Understand? The result we want to write in first column. Understand? See, take first row and first column. Understand? You multiple first value. In this row, you take first value. Understand? In this column, you take first value. Multiple both the values. What we get? First value 2. Here first value 1. 2 multiple 1, 2. That 2 you write here. Understand? Next, you take second value. In this row, you take second value 5. After that, in this column, you take second value. First value means you want to take first value. Second value means you want to take second value. Multiple both the values. 5 to 10. Don't write here. Because our first column not yet over. Understand? 5 to 10. What 10? Plus 10. That plus 10 you write in our first column only. Now first column is over. Both the values completed. First column is over. Understand? Next, you want to same row. Same first row. First row, first column is over. First row, first column is over. We completed. Next, same first row we want to take. Now second matrix, second column we want to take. First row, second column. First column over. Next we want to multiple second column. Same first row, second column. Understand? Same thing we want to do here. Now we want to write the result in second column. Because we are multiplying second column. That is why our answers we want to write in second column. So we take first element in this row. In second matrix also we take first element. Second row, first, second column, first element. 2 multiple minus 3 minus 6. First element over. Next we move second element. Here also we move second element. What is second element? 5. So 5 multiple 5, 25. Plus 25. Plus 25. So second column also over. Both the columns are over. Understand? Next, here we want to move second row. Understand? First row, first column is over. Same first row, second column is over. So 2 columns only is there. So 2 columns are over. Next we want to move second row. Next we want to move second row here. So now we want to take again second row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. Same thing you want to do. First element multiple with first element. 4 ones are 4. You write in your answer in first column. Because we are multiplying first column. First column result you want to write in first column. Second column result you want to multiply in second column. You want to write in second column. So 4 multiple 1, 4. Next you take second element here. Here also you take second element. 3 multiple 2, 6 plus 6. So first column is over. Understand? Next same second row, second column. Now you want to multiple second column. So you take first element 4. Take first element minus 3. 4 multiple minus 3 minus 2. Minus 12. This minus 12 you want to write in second column. Because here we multiplying second column. Here we are multiplying second column. That is why the result you should write in second column. Second column, understand? 4 multiple minus 3 minus 12. Next you take second element here. Here also you take second element. So 3 multiple 5, 15 plus 15. So both the columns are over. This is a matrix multiplication. This is our matrix multiplication. You understand? So now we can write 2 plus 10, 12. 2 plus 10, 12. Here, minus 6 plus 25, 19. 25 minus 6, 19. Next, 4 plus 6, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. Minus 12 plus 15 plus 3. Understand? This is AB. 12, 19, 10, 3. 2 by 2 matrix. This is AB. You take 1. Next question is what? You want to find BA also. So BA is equal to, now you take B matrix 1, minus 3, 2, 5 into A matrix 2, 5, 4, 3. The order of our first matrix is 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 by 2. The second matrix, order of our second matrix, 2 rows, 2 columns. Understand? This is row, this is column, this is row, this is column. So first you check BA is possible or not. Understand? Product of BA is possible or not. You check it now. What is the condition? Number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Here, 2 equal to 2. So the product of BA is possible. What is our result order? 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. Our result order is 2 by 2. So, 2 rows, row 1, row 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Column 1, column 2. This is our result order. 2 by 2 matrix will come. Understand? Same thing here also you want to do. This is row 1, this is row 2. This is column 1, this is column 2. Understand? Same thing we want to do here. You take first row in first matrix. You take first column in your second matrix. You want to multiply. You take first element here. Here also you take first element. 1 multiple 2, 2. Understand? Here you take second element. Here also you take second element. So minus 3 multiple 4 minus 12. So first column is over, you leave it. Same first row. You take same first row and second column. Same first row and second column. This result you write in second column. Understand? Don't continue here. Understand? 2 elements are there. Already these 2 elements are over. So first column is over. Next we are going to multiple second column. This results you write in second column. Understand? Don't continue here. Okay. Take same first row and second column. This result you write in second column because we are multiplying second column. So 1 multiple 5, 5. Next you take second element here. Here also you take second element. 3 multiple 3 plus 9. Second column also over. Next you take second row in first matrix. Take second row in first matrix. Here you take first column. Second row, first column. Understand? Take first element here. 2 2s are 4. Again you take second element here. Here also you take second element. 5 4s are plus 20. So first column is over. Next we are going to multiple second column. Same second row, second column. So take first element here. 2 5s are 10. Here you take second element. Here also you take second element. 5 multiple 3 15 plus 15. Multiplication is over. Next. 2 minus 12 minus 10. 5 plus 9 14. 4 plus 20 24. 10 plus 15 25. This is BA2. Understand? Now we check AB equal to BA. Now you want to check AB is equal to BA. See, this is the result of AB. 12, 19, 10, 3. Here, minus 10, 14, 24, 25. Both are different. From 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2, we get AB not equal to BA. We conclude that AB not. Okay, next you listen question number 5. Given that when A matrix is given, the order of A matrix is 2 by 2. B matrix is given, the order of B matrix is 2 by 3. C matrix is given, the order of C is 2 by 3. Verify that A of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Distributive property is given. Understand? Now you want to verify this property. So first you take left side. So within the bracket B plus C is there. So first you want to find out B plus C. Because according to our Bodmas rule, bracket is first. Understand? So first B plus C. Left side. B plus C is equal to B matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. Plus C matrix 1, 3, 2, minus 4, 1, 3. Adding these two matrices we get, you want to add corresponding element. So adding means corresponding element only you want to do. Don't multiply both the matrices. Understand? This is addition. Understand? Order of two matrices are same. Therefore addition of two matrices is possible. So we can add both the matrices because orders are same. 2 by 3 matrix, this is also 2 by 3 matrix, so addition is possible. So add corresponding elements now. 1, corresponding element of 1 is 1, so 1 plus 1, 2. Here, minus 1, corresponding element of minus 1 is 3, so minus 1 plus 3, 2. Here, 2 plus 2 is 4. Next we come to second row. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. This is B plus C. Next you want to find out A of B plus C. Then only left side is over. A of B plus C. A of B plus C we want. So you take A matrix 1, 3, 5, minus 1 multiple B plus C matrix. B plus C matrix is 2, 2, 4, minus 1, 6, 5. Understand? Now we want to multiple these two matrices. Order of our first matrix is 2 rows and 2 columns. Order of our second matrix is 2 rows and 3 columns. Understand? First you check product is possible or not. This is row, this is column, this is row, this is column. Number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Both are 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, product of these two matrices is possible. Then our result order is 2 by 3. Result order is 2 by 3. So, 2 by 3. Row 1, row 2. Column 1, column 2, column 3. This is our result order. This is our result order. So, multiple first. This is row 1, row 2. This is column 1, column 2, column 3. You take first row in first matrix and you take first column in second matrix. Understand? Multiple. First value. Here also you take first value. 1 multiple 2, 2. 1 multiple 2, 2. Next you take second value. Here also you take second value. 3 multiple minus 1, minus 3. So first column is over. Next you multiple same first row and second column. Next you multiple same first row and second column. Write your answer in second column. Understand? If you multiple second column means you write your answer in second column. Here second column you have to write. So first value you take. Here also you take first value 1 multiple 2, 2. Take second element here. Here also you take second element. 3 6s are 18 plus 18. Next you take same first row and third column. Same first row and third column. Write your answer in third column. So take first value here. Here also you take first value 1 multiple 4, 4. 1 multiple 4, 4. Next you take second value here. Here also you take second value 3 5s are plus 15. Understand? So 3 columns are over. Next you want to take second column in first, second row in first matrix. Second row in first matrix. Again, second row multiple with first column. After that, the same second row multiple with second column. After that, same second row multiple with third column. Same thing you want to do. Understand? Now, you take second row, first column. Write your answer in first column because you are multiplying first column. Understand? So now, first value 5 multiple 2, 10. 5 multiple 2, 10. Take second value here. Here also you take second value. Minus 1 multiple minus 1 plus 1. Understand? Next same second row, second column. You take first value here. Here also you take first value. 5 2s are 10. Understand? You write your answer in second column because we are multiplying second column now. Next you take second value here. Here also you take second value. Minus 1 multiple 6, minus 6. Understand? Now, same second row, you multiple third column. Multiple third column. Write your answer in third column. 5 multiple 4, 20. Next second value. Here also you take second value. Minus 1 multiple 5, minus 5. Understand? Now, 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 plus 18, 20. 4 plus 15, 19. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 minus 6, 4. 20 minus 5, 15. So this is our left side answer. You take 1. Understand? Next we come to right side. First we want to find out AB. AB is equal to, take A matrix 1, 3, 5, minus 1. Multiple B matrix you take 1 minus 1 2, 3 5 2. Want to multiply these two matrices. Order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of our second matrix is 2 by 3. So product of AB is possible. Product of AB is possible. 2 equal to 2. That is why product of AB is possible. Our result order will be 2 by 3. The result order will be 2 by 3 matrix. So two rows and 3 columns. Column 1, column 2 and column 3. Understand? This is row 1, this is row 2, this is column 1, column 2, column 3. You take first one, first matrix. You take first column in second matrix. Multiple. 1 multiple 1, 1. 3 multiple 3, 9. So first column is over. Next you take second column. 1 multiple minus 1, minus 1. 3 multiple 5 plus 15. So second column is over. Next you take third column. 1 multiple 2, 2. 3 multiple 2, 6. So all the 3 columns are over. Next you take second row. Understand? Second row, first column you multiple. So 5 ones are 5. Next minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Next, same second row, second column you multiple. Write your answer in second column. 5 multiple minus 1, minus 5. Minus 1 multiple 5, minus 5. Understand? Next you multiple third column. Same second row, third column. 5 2s are plus 10. 5 2s are plus 10. Minus 1 multiple 2, minus 2. Next, 1 plus 9, 10. Minus 1 plus 15, 14. 2 plus 6, 8. 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 5, minus 5, minus 10. 10 minus 2, 8. This is AB. Next we want to find AC. AC is equal to A matrix 1, 3, 5, minus 1. And C matrix is 1, 3, 2. Minus 4, 1, 3. C matrix. Okay. Now, order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 3. So, matrix multiplication is possible. Our result order will be 2 by 3. Result order will be 2 by 3. So, now, row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3. Result order. So, you take first row and first column. So 1 multiple 1, 1. 3 multiple minus 4, minus 12. First column is over. Next you multiple same first row, second column. 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are plus 3. So second column over. Next you multiple same first row, third column. 1 2s are 2, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Over. 3 columns are over. Next you take second row. Second row, first column. 5 ones are 5. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. Next, same second row, second column. 5 3s are 15. Minus 1 multiple 1, minus 1. Next you take third column. 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 multiple 3, minus 3. So multiplication is over. Now, AC is equal to 1 minus 12 minus 11. 3 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 9, 11. 5 plus 4, 9. 15 minus 1, 14. 10 minus 3, 7. This is AC. Finally, you want to find out our right side is AB plus AC. AB plus AC. AB matrix is 10, 14, 8, 2, minus 10, 8. Plus AC matrix is minus 11, 9, 11, 9, 14, 7. Adding these two matrices we get 10 minus 11 minus 1. 10 minus 7 minus 1. 14 plus 9, 23. 14 plus 9, 8 plus 1, 19. 3 plus 3. Here 3 plus 3 is there. AC matrix. 3 plus 3 we get only 6. Small mistake. 3 plus 3, this is not multiplication, this is addition. 3 plus 3 is 6. So, here you take AB matrix is 10, 14, here 14 only, 6, here 14. AB matrix 10, 14, 8, 2 minus 10, 8. AC matrix is minus 11, this is 6, minus 11, 6, 11, 9, 14, 7. So adding these two matrices we get 10 minus 11 minus 1, 14 plus 6, 20, 8 plus 11, 19, 2 plus 9, 11, minus 10 plus 9, minus 10 plus 14, 4, 8 plus 7, 15. Corresponding elements you want to have. This is 2. Understand? Now we check. Both sides are equal or not. Now we want to check it now. We compare 1 and 2. What we get? Minus 1, 20, 19, 11, 4, 15. So 1 from 1 and 2. Both are equal. From 1 and 2 we get left side. A of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC equal to BA. Generally we can say, okay, next you listen question number 6. Show that the matrices A 1 2 by 2 matrix is given and B 1 2 by 2 matrix is given satisfy commutative property AB equal to B. This is commutative property of multiplication. A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is commutative property of addition. Understand? This is A multiple B is equal to B multiple A. This is a commutative property of multiplication. Already you have studied in 8th standard. So now, you want to find out AB. AB is equal to A matrix 1, 2, 3, 1 multiple B matrix 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1. Want to multiply these two matrices. First you want to check product is possible or not. Order of our first matrix is 2 by 2, order of our second matrix is 2 by 2. Number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Therefore multiplication is possible. Our result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. Result order is 2 rows. Row 1, row 2. Row 1, row 2. Result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. Column 1 and column 2. 2 rows, 2 columns will come. You take first row and first column. You multiple. 1 multiple 1, 1. Next you take second element. 2 multiple minus 3, minus 6. So first column is over. First column is over. Next same first row, second column, you multiple. What do you get? First element 1 multiple minus 2, minus 2. Second element 2 multiple 1 plus 2. So 2 columns are over. Next you want to take second row, first column. What do you get? 3 multiple 1, 3. 1 multiple minus 3, minus 3. Next you take same second row, second column. 3 multiple minus 2, minus 6. Second element 1. Here you take second element. 1 multiple 1 plus 1. Okay. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Minus 2 plus 2 0. 3 minus 3 0. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. This is our left side answer. You take 1. Next our right side is BA. We find BA now. BA is equal to B matrix 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. A matrix is 1 2 3 1. Understand? Order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of our second matrix is 2 by 2. So number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in our second matrix. Therefore, product of BA is possible. Our result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows, row 1, row 2, and 2 columns, column 1 and column 2. This is our result order. Now this is column 1, this is column 2. We take first row, first column. 1 multiple 1, 1. Next you move second element. Here also you move second element. Minus 2 multiple 3, minus 6. Understand? Same first row, second column you multiple. 1 multiple 2, 2. Here you move second element. Here also you move second element. Minus 2 multiple 1, minus 2. Understand? Okay. 2 columns are over. Next you take second row here. Second row. First column. Minus 3 multiple 1, minus 3. 1 multiple 3 plus 3. First column over. Next you take second column. Minus 3 multiple 2 minus 6. 1 multiple 1 plus 1. Now 1 minus 6 minus 5. 2 minus 2 0. Minus 3 plus 3 0. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. This is our right side answer. Take 2. Now you see first and 2. Here first minus 5 0 0 minus 5. Here also minus 5 0 0 minus 5. Both are equal. Understand? In this question, AB equal to BA. Commutative property is satisfied. Understand? But in general, matrix multiplication does not satisfy the commutative property. Matrix multiplication does not satisfy commutative property in general. But in this question, commutative property, the matrix multiplication satisfies the commutative property. But in this question only. But in general, matrix multiplication does not satisfy the commutative property. You keep this in your mind. Now, from 1 and 2 we get AB equal to BA. Commutative property is verified. Is satisfied. Commutative property is satisfied. Again I will tell you, in general, matrix multiplication does not satisfy the commutative property. But in this question, matrix multiplication satisfies the commutative property. You keep this in your mind. Commutative property is not satisfied. Okay, next you listen question number 7. Let A, B, C, 3 matrices are given. Using that 3 matrices, you want to verify these 3 questions. 3 question answers you want to verify. Now first you take first question. A of BC equal to AB of C. First you take left side. In your left side, our first preference is bracket. Within the bracket, BC is there. First you multiply BC. BC is equal to B matrix 4, 0, 1, 5. And C matrix is 2, 0, 1, 2. Now we want to multiply these 2 matrices. Order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of our second matrix is 2 by 2. So these both are equal. So multiplication is possible. Our result order is 2 by 2. Our result order is 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, row 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Column 1, column 2. Now we take, this is column 1, column 2. Now we take first row and first column. First row and first column. Now 4 2s are 8. 0 multiple 1, 0. First column is over. Next you multiple second column. 4 multiple 0, 0. 0 multiple 2, 0. So 2 columns are over. Next you take second row. Second row, first column. 1 multiple 2, 2. 5 multiple 1 plus 5. Over. Next you multiple second column. Column 2. 1 multiple 0, 0. 5 multiple 2, 10. Over. Multiplication is over. 8 plus 0, 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 5, 7. 0 plus 10, 10. This is BC. Next, you want to multiple BC with A. Understand? A multiple BC. What we get? You take A matrix. 1, 2, 1, 3. Multiple BC matrix 8, 0, 7, 10. 8, 0, 7, 10. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. So these two are equal. Therefore, multiplication is possible. Our result order is 2 by 2. Result order is 2 by 2. That means 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. Take first row and first column. You multiple. 1 8s are 8. Next 2. Here 7. 2 7s are 14 plus 14. So first column is over. Next you multiple with second column. 1 multiple 0, 0. 2 multiple 10, 20. 2 multiple 10, 20. Next we come to second row. Second row, first column. 8 ones are 8. 3 7s are 21 plus 21. Next you multiple with second column. Second column. 1 multiple 0, 0. Next second element here. Here also I take second element. 3 multiple 10, 30. 8 plus 14, 22. 0 plus 20, 20. 8 plus 21, 29. 0 plus 30, 30. Understand? This is our left side answer, you take 1. Next you come to right side. Within the bracket AB is there. First you want to find out AB. So now AB is equal to A matrix 1, 2, 1, 3. B matrix is 4, 0, 1, 5. So order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of our second matrix is also 2 by 2. These both are equal. Therefore multiplication is possible. Our result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. That means row 1, row 2, 2 columns. Column 1, column 2. Understand? Take first row and first column. 1 4s are 4. 2 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 2. Next you take second column here. First row, second column. 1 multiple 0, 0. 2 multiple 5 plus 10. 2 columns are over. Next you take, here you write column 1, column 2, no problem. Next you take second row, first column. 1 4s are 4. 3 1s are plus 3. So first column is over. Next you multiple second column. Same second row, second column. 1 into 0, 0. 3 5s are plus 15. Understand? Now 4 plus 2 6. 0 plus 10 10. 4 plus 3 7. 0 plus 15 15. Understand? Next this AB multiple with C. What we get? AB multiple C. AB multiple C. So AB matrix is 6, 10, 7, 15. Multiple C matrix is 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, next we want to multiple these two matrices. Order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. So order of our second matrix is 2 by 2. So number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. So matrix multiplication is possible. So result order will be 2 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. Matrix multiplication is possible. Our result order will be 2 rows and 2 columns. Now you take first row, first column. 6 2s are 12. 10 multiple 1 plus 10. 10 multiple 1 plus 10. Next, same first row, second column you multiply. 6 multiple 0, 0. 10 multiple 2 plus 20. 10 multiple 2 plus 20. So now 2 columns are over. Next you take second row. Next you take second row, multiply with first column. So 7 multiple 2, 14. 15 multiple 1 plus 15. Next, second row, second column. 7 multiple 0, 0. 15 multiple 2 plus 30. Now, there is no place here. Now, 12 plus 10, 22. 0 plus 20, 20. 14 plus 15, 29. 0 plus 30, 30. This is our right side, you take 2. This is our right side, you take 2. Now comparing 1 and 2 we get, first result, 22, 20, 29, 30. So both 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore, we conclude that A of B plus C is equal to AB of C. This is associative property of matrix multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. So associative property of multiplication is satisfied. Understand? It's always satisfied. A of B plus C is equal to AB of C. So from 1 and 2, finally write from 1 and 2 we get A of B plus C, A of BC. Okay, now you take second question. Second question, first you take left side. So within the bracket A minus is there. First you find A minus B. A minus B is equal to A matrix 1, 2, 1, 3 minus B matrix 4, 0, 1, 5. 4, 0, 1, 5. Now, both the matrix order of two matrices are same. So we can subtract these two matrices, no problem. Order must be same. Then only subtraction and addition are possible. Understand? Otherwise addition and subtraction is not possible. So this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is also 2 by 2 matrix. So we can subtract these two matrices, no problem. We want to subtract corresponding elements. 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4, minus 3. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 3 minus 5 minus 2. Next, A minus B multiple C. A minus B multiple C. A minus B matrix is minus 3, 2, 0, minus 2. Multiple C matrix is 2, 0, 1, 2. 2, 0, 1, 2. Now we want to multiply these two matrices. Order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of our second matrix is 2 by 2. So, number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. So, multiplication is possible. So, result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. This is our result order. First row, first column. Multiple with first row, first column. Minus 3 multiple 2, minus 6. 2 multiple 1 plus 2. Next you take second column. Minus 3 multiple 0, 0. 2 multiple 2 plus 4. Next you take second row, first column. 0 multiple 2, 0. Minus 2 multiple 1, minus 2. Next second row, second column. 0 multiple 0, 0. Minus 2 multiple 2 plus 4. Sorry, minus 4. 2 2s are 4. One value has minus sign, so minus 4. Minus 2 multiple 2, minus 4. Now, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 0 minus 4, minus 4. 0 minus 4, minus 4. This is our left side, you take 1. Next, our right side is AC minus BC. This is second question answer. AC minus BC. Now you find AC. AC is equal to A matrix 1, 2, 1, 3 multiple C matrix is 2, 0, 1, 2. 2 by 2 matrix. This also 2 by 2 matrix. Matrix multiplication is possible. Our result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, row 2. 2 rows and 2 2 columns. Take first row, first column. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2 plus 2. Next you multiple second column. 1 to 0 0, 2 multiple 2 4. Next you take second row, first column. 1 2s are 2, 3 1s are 3. Second row, second column. 1 into 0 0, 3 2s are plus 6. Now 2 plus 4 2 4, 0 plus 4 4, 2 plus 3 5, 0 plus 6 6. This is AC. Next you find BC. BC is equal to B matrix 4 0 1 5, C matrix 2 0 1 2. So this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is also 2 by 2 matrix. So both are equal, so multiplication is possible. So result order is 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, row 2. 2 rows, column 1, column 2. 2 columns. Now we multiple first row and first column. What do you get? 4 2s are 8. 0 into 1 plus 0. Next you multiple second column. 4 into 0 0. 0 into 2 0. 0 plus 0. So 2 columns are over. Next you take second row. Second row, first column. 1 into 2 2. 5 ones are plus 5. Next you multiple second row, second column. 1 into 0 0. 5 2s are 10. 1 into 0 0. 5 multiple 2 10. Now 8 plus 0 8. 0 plus 0 0. 2 plus 5 7. 0 plus 10 10. This is BC. Finally, we want to find AC minus BC. AC minus BC, which is equal to AC matrix. Where is AC? Here is there. 4 4 5 6. 4 4 5 6. Minus BC matrix. BC matrix is 8 0 7 10. 8 0 7 10. Now, want to subtract these two matrices. 4 minus 8 minus 4. 4 minus 8 minus 4. 4 minus 0 4. 5 minus 7 minus 2. 6 minus 10 minus 4. 6 minus 10 minus 4. This is our right side answer. Understand? 2. So now you compare 1 and 2. What do you get? Minus 4 plus 4. Minus 2 minus 4. 1 and 2 are same. 1 and 2 are same. So from 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get LHS equal to RHS. That means A minus B of C, A minus B of C is equal to AC minus BC. Is equal to, okay, now you take question number 3. First you find a left side. First you find left side. So within the bracket we have A minus B. First you find A minus B. This question is what? A minus B the whole transpose. A minus B the whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. First you take left side. Within the bracket we have A minus B. First you find A minus B because, or according to our BODMAS rule, our first preference is bracket. So bracket. Within the bracket we have A minus B. So first you find A minus B. Third question. First you are going to find A minus B. Now you take A matrix 1, 2, 1, 3 minus B matrix 4, 0, 1, 5. 4, 0, 1, 5. Now 1 minus 4 minus 3, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 5 minus 2. 3 minus 5 minus 2. This is A minus B. This is A minus B. Next you want to find A minus B the whole transpose. A minus B the whole transpose. Understand? Now we want to transpose this matrix. This is A minus B matrix. We want to transpose A minus B matrix. You want to transpose A minus B matrix. Yeah, transpose means what? We want to interchanging rows and columns. Want to interchanging rows and columns. It's called transpose. This is column 1, this is column 2. You take first column and you write first row. Minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0. Next you take second column, you write in second row. 2 minus 2. This is transpose. Interchanging rows and columns is called a transpose. Understand? This is our left side over. Next you want to calculate right side. You want to subtract A transpose minus B transpose. First you find A transpose. A transpose is equal to, you transpose A matrix. You want to interchanging rows and columns is called transpose. First you take first column 1 1. This first column you write in first row. Take first column. This first column you write in first row. So 1 1 1 1. Now it is row. Take second column and write this second column in second row. 2 3. This is A transpose. Next we need B transpose also. Find B transpose. B transpose equal to, now we want to take first column and write in first row. 4 and 1. First column, first row. Next we say take second column and write in second row. Second column 0 1. Second column, second row. So this is B transpose. Finally you want to find out A transpose minus B transpose. A transpose minus B transpose. Here A transpose is 1 1 2 3 minus B transpose is 4 1 0 5. Now you want to subtract these two matrices. Corresponding element you want to subtract. So 1 minus 4 is nothing but minus 3. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. 2 minus 0 is nothing but 2. 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2. This is our right side answer 2. Now we compare 1 and 2. Minus 3, 0, 2, minus 2. So 1 and 2 are equal. So from 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get LHS equal to RHS. That means A minus B the whole square is equal to, whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Hence verify. Okay, thank you.